Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Pisces, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Pisces. So these are for your general energies, Pisces, and this card is for your relationship. And I have an oracle guidance after this general reading, guys. So if you want more clarity or if you are interested to watch that, you can watch that pick a card reading. So let's start with your general reading. We have Page of Wands, Five of Swords in reverse, and World in reverse. So in your situation today, guys, Pisces, you are facing some kind of a difficult situation. Things are not going as you had wished. So it is something unexpected. So maybe in your projects or maybe in your work, business, whatever you were expecting the returns, you may not get it, guys. And you are working really hard, you are striving really hard in your career, or you are making lot of efforts in this love, in this connection to bring that understanding with this person. And you are a really passionate person, you love them a lot, you are honest, you have that creativity, skills and talents. So no matter what you have, this person you love, they don't see you that way. There are some troubles in your situation and you feel stuck and you are unable to proceed in a positive way, guys, in your situation today. So some kind of difficulties, stress in your situation, worries, lots of worries. It may be something to do in your relationship or in your career situation, guys. So that is what I see, guys. Let's see what is the card for your. It is Seven of Pentacles in reverse for your relationship, guys. That is a card. So with this card in your situation, maybe this person you love or it may be your energy. So some kind of difficulties, guys, quarrels or fights in your situation. So you have this person, you are in a connection, you may you are making lot of efforts, trying your best, but this person does not see your worth. So they don't realize your love or they don't realize your worth, your love. So they are not ready to see you as you are. So they are in this connection for something else and not love, guys. So no matter what you do, they are not going to see your love as it is. So you may have true love on this person, but they don't have that on you, guys. Maybe for some of you things may improve bit by bit, guys. In future, if you are willing to hold on, wait for this person to realize. But if you are unable to wait, then this person may not see your true love, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, Pisces. That is the reading. If you want more clarity, you can watch the oracle guidance that is coming up right now, guys. For your oracle guidance, if you have any questions in your situation, guys, you can think about it, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds and then choose the card. So that way the reading may resonate. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start with the first card. So we have Malachite here. So this crystal card, it stands for clarity of thought and emotions, integrating our thoughts and intuition. So maybe in any particular situation, we may have a particular intuition, what we need to do. So if we follow that, and if we have that clarity, what we feel, what is our emotional state in that particular situation, we will have a better understanding. And we need to honor our emotions, guys, to help us make the right decisions today. So our intuition will be telling us something. Maybe when it is telling us something, or when we feel really emotional, something pushing us towards some choice or some decision, we have to listen to it. So that is the meaning with this card, guys. So if you have some kind of intuition in any situation when you are making some important decisions, you need to listen to it, guys. So that is the reading with that card. So let's see what is your second card for those who have chosen this card. It is Truth Be Told. So with this card here, it just means honest communication, guys, a willingness to be transparent. So something is there in your heart, burdening yourself. So in your heart of hearts, you have something you need to tell someone. So you have to go ahead and tell them. So that clarity of communication, that is what is going to bring that harmony in your life today. So truth is always based on your personality, and when you have your words, when you are speaking truthful words, whatever is there in your heart, and when you are open about yourself, when you have that honest communication, you will be proceeding in a positive way in your life today, guys. So people will also try to be honest with you. When you are being honest, they will also reciprocate the same way. So today maybe something is there in your mind, some kind of truth or some kind of secret you need to reveal to this person you love. So this is the time for that. Do not hold back, speak the truth. And if someone speaks the truth to you, you have to listen to them. So that is the reading with these cards, guys. Thank you for watching this oracle guidance. If you like this guidance, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.